Who knew? All right, that's that. This is still good. Okay. That is, but that could be right there for green. This can go in here. This needs to go in structure. Different. Hit different. All right, let's do this. Hit different. All right, so we're gonna start on the daily. Sleepy as crap this morning. So previous daily was bullish, but it didn't break the high of the daily on the 14th. But it was bullish, so some kind of support forming, trying to form on the daily. Uh, 4 hour has some support forming as well. Just trying to break into 36, like 260 area, 280. I go down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour still has some room to push up. Make these zones a little neater. 1 hour has support right down over here. Of course, there was resistance right up over here. Recently broke. Should I get this thing pulled up? There we go. It recently broke this resistance over here, so I'll be looking for this to come down, create some kind of support to retest and go back up to this 136, 370-ish area. So I'll be looking for this support to be formed around here to retest and go back up here. So that's the trade I'm looking for. So all we're doing is waiting on support to be formed. Because essentially what's happened is after this resistance broke, candle went up, made a high. You're looking for a retracement, support to be formed. If you do get a retracement and support is formed, there's a higher probability that, a very, very high probability that you're going to get the high retested right over here. So this will be your trade, and then you're looking for a continuation on that.
Mm-hmm.
This is a pretty textbook setup. That's that we'll be looking for here. Pretty textbook. Where did I put my phone? Here it is. All right. Let's look at. Let's look at some news. If I'm not mistaken, we had retail sales today. It's not until 8:30 though, and some other stuff happening, but so we just gotta wait.
How low are you taking this trade?
Is that how low?
Yeah.
Whenever support forms.
Then you taking it from like down there?
Yeah, I would like support to be formed over here. When I say support formed, I want some bearish candles to come all the way down. And then a 30-minute bullish candle to form. Once I see a 30-minute bullish candle form and close, when the next 30-minute candle after that one breaks the high of that bullish candle. That's my trade.
Yeah. Okay.
I just want that candle to close back in my direction.
And the next candle, if it stopped right there and the next candle take off from there, you enter at the break or is that enough?
Yeah, if this candle closes right here and the next candle comes up and breaks,
Okay.
yeah, if this candle closes here,
Mm-hmm.
oh shoot,
I was just making
I'm
sure.
tripping. Yeah, let's say this candle closes here and the next candle would like come up and do something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Entry would be like right there.
Mm-hmm.
And stop would be below there.
Mm-hmm.
So you catch that.
So there's no problem with that, even though it's going into resistance or nothing like that.
No, because of the sharp impulse. So it would have been I would have been worried if we were in this area down over here and we were looking at something like that, just because you had a lot of sideways movement over here.
Mm-hmm.
But after this big impulse,
Mm-hmm.
If you're looking for one of those type of trades after an impulse, it's a better chance of it working out versus if you were looking at it somewhere with this consolidation.
Yeah.
It is approaching this mess,
Mm-hmm.
so we do have to be careful because it is approaching this mess over here that it could essentially have some issues over this area.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just have to be careful about that.
Yeah. This looks perfect.
Mm-hmm.
And they feel away. Wow.
Yeah, so I'll be looking. The 30 did just dip into this area over here.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll be looking to see what kind of happens now, because it just dipped into this area here. So we'll see if we get some Get some action off of this level here.
Meaning you expect it to come down further since it went in there?
I'm not sure what it's going to do. We'll see if it either breaks down further, or it respects this level here as support. It's either going to do one of those two things. So, this is just a important level to watch for right now, because either it's going to break down and go, down further to create support somewhere else, or it's going to hold support here, and this will be the support we need to go back up.
Yeah. All right, I'm clear. And the news. I said I'm here right now. Right now. CPI. 2 a.m. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Cool. Well, I hope it stays right where it's at. I'm here right now. Right now. What's good with you over there?
She got a busy day.
Yeah.
Yeah, closing on the house today.
Mm-hmm. It's a wrap.
Yes, sir.
It's a wrap. Are you moving in this weekend?
Gee, I'm probably gonna start moving today if I get keys.
Holy shit.
The movers come tomorrow.
Yeah.
Said the movers come tomorrow.
Yeah. What a life.
Yeah.
What a life. These movers. Wow. What a life.
We'll see.
Hmm?
We'll see. It's gonna be an interesting day.
Still, what a life. You know.
Yeah, you're right.
Still.
Got 7 minutes left for this candle to close. It's trying to push up. I like the way this is closing on the 30.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You taking the break if it's push up?
That's what I'm debating. I don't know if I'm going to take the break or if I'm going to wait. I'm probably going to wait for this 30 to close and then take the break of this 30 that it is now on the next one. That's probably what my trade is going to be.
Is there a difference?
No, just when you're waiting for the candle to close, the other one you're just not.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah, this is good. This is a pretty good setup. We can get a close just like this. Next one breaks the high here. That should be an easy move up. Should be an easy morning, bro. I'm glad I did wait for the candle to close because I would have been in a serious drawdown right now. Been in some serious drawdown. All right, 30-minute just closed.
Well,
All right, no trade yet.
I'm not going to tell you what just happened.
Say what?
I'm not going to tell you what just happened. Let's see if this one's any better. I got a little problem.
What's that?
My chart numbers are not lining up with my MT4 numbers.
What do you mean?
I just set what I thought was a safe buy stop, and it was triggered nowhere near. It was like 8 pips away from being 8 micro pips away from being triggered. It was like plenty of room. Shit just triggered, and I can't tell.
Close it. Can you close it?
I left it open, and it basically hit a stop loss.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I know, because that was a big drawdown.
Where did you have a buy stop at?
Above the area, 260. On this chart is 260. I don't know which. I have 2 of them pulled up right now. I'm trying to see if there's a difference. And like, yeah, this one says 04 and this one says
The spread may have got you in.
Is that what it was?
Probably.
Explain that so I understand.
So the spread is the difference between the bid and the ask. All right. So that's how the brokers make their monies off. They make their money off spread. So I mean, sometimes spread will just jump up a little bit, and then you can get trades activated by spread. If it just happens to spike up for like a second or two.
Yeah, maybe that's what happened.
Yeah.
Man, this is fucking aggravating, bro. Everything that can happen will happen. I guess I have to learn it all the hard way, but
Mm-hmm.
how aggravating is that?
And that's one of the aggravating things about buy stops. It's one of the things you gotta
I,
take on the chin.
I see.
That's why I don't use them that often.
I see now. I see now. It seemed the most efficient way to my brain until today. Now I gotta recalibrate that somehow. Oh my God. That shit really just pissed me off, bro. Ay.
We'll recover.
Yeah, I'm sure. It's just now this is telling a whole different story that fast.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Sure is. Just
And,
broke the low of the previous 30, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
We can still get support formed around here if we needed to. That'd be nice.
But I'm here right now. Right now.
Mm.
But I'm here right now. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. That has literally never happened to me before. All this trading, I haven't seen that happen before. fine time.
I've seen it happen way too many times.
It's all good, but
That's one of those things we were talking about yesterday, where I can tell you it happens, but until you like experience it, you just won't know what I'm talking about.
yes, it was just painful. But it's all good. It's all good. Next, I knew what I was getting into. Starting this as early as I was, there are gonna be some lessons I'm gonna have to learn the hard way, but it'll be worth it.
Mm-hmm.
On a brighter note, I found out that one of my songs is going to be in Will Smith's new movie.
Is it really?
Yeah, man. They sent me an email yesterday. The movie comes out October 8th. It's
That's gonna be huge.
it's Will and Jada produced it. It's Will Smith's film company. Somebody else is on the executive producer credit as well. I just forgot the name because I got hyped over Will and Jada.
Shoot, man, yeah, that's big.
The guy who made Moonlight
Mm-hmm.
is the guy who's producing this. Meek Mill, he's starring in it. It's an HBO movie. HBO just bought the rights to it. It was gonna come out in theaters, and then Corona hit, and HBO just bought the rights to it.
Mm-hmm.
It's called what is this called? Charm City Kings. Yeah, Charm City Kings. Yeah, you should look it up.
Gotcha.
Check's good. The check is good, my friend. So it's all blessings. It's all blessings.
That's what's up, bro.
All blessings. So that loss really ain't that much to me, but I take every loss personally. I gotta stop doing that. I gotta be a better loser. If I was a better loser, I think I'd get more stuff done. Come to the back. I'm assuming you didn't watch the game last night too, huh?
I did not. I did not.
I made a Skirt. I mean, this is good. You know, this is good. It's right at hourly support.
Yes, sir.
Hourly closing 15 minutes too. Strong. Yeah, the Nuggets beat the Clippers by like 20, bro.
Yeah, I saw that on Bleacher Report this morning. I'm a little shocked and surprised.
They couldn't do nothing with the Nuggets center. He had like 20 rebounds.
Sheesh.
Yeah, and he be shooting threes.
Yeah, Jamal Murray is a problem.
Jamal Murray is a player. Yeah.
Yeah, he's a bucket.
I hate for this to
Need
go
to
on,
happen.
but Paul George looks like he has trouble when it matters.
Mm-hmm.
I can't say nothing about him, but man, it's crunch time and he's shooting the ball off the side of the backboard. Like they down by 13 with 2 minutes left, and he's shooting off the side of the backboard and missing shots short, like hitting the front of the rim and bouncing straight down, hitting the front of the rim, like not the top of the front of the rim, hitting the bottom of the front of the rim. Like sounds like he was spooked. Like my boy PG was spooked. Doc had to take him. The coach had to take him out the game
Mm-hmm.
because they was about to embarrass themselves.
Sheesh.
For real, bro. They was about to embarrass themselves because they started getting. They was like down by 20, and they ain't know what to do. And so they just running around trying to throw up threes. It was just poor. It was just a poor job. So if say the spread was, let me exaggerate. Say the spread was 10 pips, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're telling me my trade is going to trigger 10 pips before my price point that I put in?
Yes.
My God. My God.
Yeah. Look, spreads are usually higher around like those non high volume times, like after 12 o'clock, around 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Spreads are usually higher around then because nobody's trading around then. So brokers have to charge more to make up for the people that aren't trading.
Yeah. But I'm here right now. Yeah, bro. We made a movie.
Mm-hmm.
Going down in history, bro. Going down in history. I did it. I did it. I fucking did it. I fucking did it.
Sounds like we're looking for the same thing.
Is that what you said?
That's what I'm looking at.
What? Tell me, because I wasn't paying that nigga no attention.
We pretty much know. Like if this closes like this, the next 30 breaks the high over here. That's our trade.
For sure.
Yeah.
You're actually looking for 15 or something, right?
Yeah, if that would be an impulse if you took it on the 15 before the 30 closed. If you took the 15 high, the break of the 15-minute high, that would just be an impulse. You just be getting in a little bit before the candle closed.
And I'm not in the mood to do that.
Yeah, I'm not either.
I'm not in the fucking mood after that. Yo. Lit life. Absolutely lit. I'm here right now.
I need to get to 50 subscribers by next week.
Yeah.
Or at least the next 2 weeks.
What? Make it happen, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I need a video for a friend of mine, Ariana. She is in high school,
Mm-hmm.
and she wants to get involved. So what's the first thing? What's the first thing? Downloading the app.
Yeah.
Downloading the app. And making a trading view account.
She ain't got to make an account. She just go to the website. But yeah. And yeah, tell her to make a demo account or make a real account, whatever she want to make.
Yeah. Patience. skirt. No fucking funny yet. Hell yeah, man. Yeah. Shake it off. Because I'm going to be doing this, and there are losses involved. Uh, yeah, man, you don't even watch basketball. I know you should be talking about it.
So what?
Huh?
So what?
I said you don't even watch basketball.
I do watch basketball.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
I just didn't. I hadn't had time to watch it.
Jason Tatum.
Mm-hmm.
How you feel about him?
Isn't that Kobe?
I don't think so.
There's a lot of his tendencies.
Because he just copied him.
Yeah, that's what all the greats do.
Yeah, I think he's an imposter.
He's definitely got some developing to go.
I mean, he don't have whatever Jamal Murray has. I didn't see Jason Tatum have that.
You know who I think has it? Morant.
No, he don't got it either. You know how I know?
Yeah.
All them dunks he would have made. You know what I'm saying? All them dunks that he missed this year, he would have made them. He a beast now, but I see him like a Russell Westbrook.
He is. Yeah, I can see that.
You know what I'm saying? I don't see no Kobe's.
I can see that.
I don't see no Kobe's right now, bro. I see none. I see no Kobe's. Jason Tatum, I thought he was gonna be it for real, because he has to get the game.
Mm-hmm.
When I see him playing, he's just he don't when it matters, it ain't there. You know.
Right. Yeah, I understand.
And last night, overtime, right?
Mm-hmm.
Down by 1 or something like that. Last play of the game, Jason Tatum. Well, all right. Put it this way. End of the game, tie game. Jason Tatum has the ball, holds it for the last shot, doesn't drive, doesn't do nothing, just stands in the same spot and then shoots a three and bounces off the front of the rim. Not the top of the front of the front. Horrible.
Mm-hmm.
Then overtime hits. And they got a chance to go up by 1, win the game. And he goes in to dunk the ball and gets blocked at the top of his dunk. Clean block. Celtics lose. That would never happen to Kobe.
Yeah, no.
It's not happening, bro.
Never.
You don't.
He wouldn't allow that to happen.
Allow it. His will.
Yeah, he would not allow that to happen.
And that's what I'm saying. He don't have there's no Kobe. So you about to take this?
I already took it.
At where?
The 15. And the 15 broke.
Broke what?
The previous 15.
Get the fuck out of here. You told me that was an impulse that you didn't want to take.
It broke pretty violently, and then it came back. And when it came back is when I got in.
Get the fuck out of here. I can get in right now.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take it. Where you got your stop at?
It's on my screen. 027.
26, 27, yeah. We got the same 27. God, wait. 027. And then 27.
What trade strategy do you use apart from price action? You use the market maker strategy. I have no idea how that read the market maker strategy works. Because here's the thing. So let's say someone's in a buy, they're in a buy, you're expecting price, expect the trade idea. Now, we can't control your price. We can only control how much of this we can have in the trade or how much. So we're looking at this DJ trade right over there. Now, we can't really control where the price is going to go. All you can see is that, okay, if price breaks certain levels, it's going to go to the point where we may be, mitigating that risk from that. If price goes up, it's perfect. We win. If price goes down, then we can do it.
You feeling comfortable about this, or you
Yeah, I'm still in.
taking precautions? You not scaling out of them?
No, leaving it open for right now. I trust this.
Wait, what level you got in it?
136, 186.
Cool. I want to do some content for the movie.
Mm-hmm.
to help cross promote. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I may be able to get on some blogs and stuff since it's like going to be such a movie tied to the culture, you know.
Yes.
That was, I guess, what we talked about.
You heard Trap Country.
Mhm.
Do you know the song One Night?
Yes.
That's what they picked. So I'm guessing that
Nice.
might be a sex scene or something. Feel me?
It's definitely the right scene to be.
Knowing me.
That's actually very serious. From a long-term perspective with US 30, I really want to grab a dump. Grab the drops. I have a feeling come election time, this instability that we have allowing drops of the US 30 as it keeps rising. Get it in trade US 30. Are coming to the upper levels of previous highs. So as we come into November, you may want to make a note for yourself on a piece of paper or wherever you make long-term notes that US 30 will probably have a big correction. And you might find that it drops down back to 25,000, 28,000, 29,000 back to 25,000 as we come close to the election period. Those are things that I'm watching. Gold, I think I'll trade this afternoon. I'll trade it during FOMC. Touch it right now because I don't want to be in positions. If it does reject this area again, we can easily drop to 1950. Yeah, so I'm going to wait till later on this afternoon. But this is a zone that we're entering. And if we don't break 1969, we're going to drop right back down to the 1950s. I'm just going to wait until that point to see what the Feds come up with. And if not, then we're all going all the way back up to 1950. Still a mess. A daily candle. As the break above, like Yvonne said, over 136. Right now, we're still stuck in that range. So you'll catch it with eye and then there's some. TJ, yeah, good attention. Yeah. But you know what? If today that daily candle breaks out, you're probably going to hit 137. It does break out for any strange reason, which corrects the daily candle from.
Wake me up when September ends. You still seeing the same thing?
Yes, sir.
You're moving your stop loss when it's close?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about. If this 30 breaks this high, the previous 30, this current 30 breaks the high of the previous 30, I may move my stop up just to protect myself and my stop loss.
All right, what am I missing here? My anxiety is coming from this doesn't look like it's about to break the previous high. And if that happens, you still stay in the trade?
I'm gonna look at how this 15-minute closes. If it closes bullish, I'm gonna still stay in the trade.
If it closes bullish, you still stay in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. All right. So scenario 2, it closes bullish, and then breaks the next candle, breaks the low of that previous 15.
I'd definitely be getting out. I'm about to break the high over here. Just perfect. Come on. Get up there.
Wake me up.
I think we're about to see another violent move once this high breaks.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I think it's coming. If this high breaks,
Yeah,
we'll see a pretty violent move.
it's sitting there like it's ready to.
Mm-hmm.
Wake me up when September ends. When September ends. This is trippy. When September ends. See how that works. Yeah. Yeah. Come on with it, man.
This thing is going to be extremely violent. Either it's going to be extremely violent or it's just going to go the other way.
Well, yeah, one of those two. I think one of those two is the only choices you got. Hey, young girl. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Come on.
Here we go.
Come on. Come on.
Fuel's in. The fuel is in.
Stop playing, girl.
Blast off initiated.
It's already started.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I take your word for it.
Blast off initiated. Suggest the stop.
Hmm?
So I'm adjusting my stop
Where you put it at?
below the current 30 or the previous 15, whichever one you want to call it. It's pretty violent to me.
What the fuck just happened? Oh,
I told you once it broke, it was going to be pretty violent. A violent move up. It was going to move very quick.
wow. That happened so fast.
I told you when it happened, it was going to happen really fast.
It's still going?
It's still going, bro. It's going to 136, 400.
How many pips is that?
I am done for the day, my friend.
No, I got it. That helped mitigate that some of those losses from this morning.
Yes, sir. I am done.
You just get-
I am going back to sleep.
How many pips you just get, bro?
10, 11, 10, 11.
Okay. Yeah, just in time.
Yep, 10 or 11.
This is not going up, bro. You think it's going up?
Yes, 100%.
Because it hit back off of that last.
100%. My mom called the trade too.
Your mom?
Mm-hmm. She's, I think she's watching.
Get the hell out.
Yeah, she caught the same entry I did.
That's amazing.
Yes, that's insane. That's absolutely insane. But yeah, the story made sense. Yeah, it's definitely going up, man. Just look at the story. So let's go ahead and paint this story real quick. All right, let's go ahead and get this story situated. All right.
Good trade.
All right. You got resistance over here. If I can get my life together.
Take your time, buddy.
All right. So we have resistance forming over here. Now this is like super clear.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, resistance there. You had a candle break above the resistance.
Mm-hmm.
right? This candle closed bearish. So you wait for support to be formed after it made a new high.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Candle closed bullish, right? We got support formed. Previous resistance has now become support. You got 2 wicks here, and then you got a candle closed bullish, right? So what was resistance is now support. So of course, once you get a bullish candle, there's a greater probability the next one's going to continue up. So
Mm-hmm.
we're down with this. We can get rid of that. So last one is here. There you go. That's the breakdown there. And that's the story. That is the story, my friend. Now that it's played out and we can see it.
Yeah, that was an easy one.
Oh, it was textbook. I saw it this morning when I first woke up. I was like, oh, this thing made a high. All we got to do is wait for it to come back, make a support, and it's going to retest the high. Like if you go back, for anybody watching, if you go back in the beginning of the video, I said this was resistance here. We came, let me use a different color. Yeah, there we go. We came up. If I can get my life together and draw arrows. We came up, we made a high. We were just waiting on a retracement to come down, create support to retest the high. This is it. This is the trade. All this stuff in here is the trade. That was the trade. Simple. This was textbook. It literally couldn't have gotten any easier. Literally couldn't have gotten any easier.
Splendid.
It was even cleaner on the 15, but that's where I took my injury. My injury was taken on the 15. So that was super clean. Super, super clean.
Brilliant job, sir. That happened pretty quick.
That did happen quickly. And holy crap. Glad I got out.
Well, I can't imagine what's making it do that.
It's a wick down. I wouldn't really get worried until it broke the low of the 30-minute.
On the daily,
Just do a little screenshot action. Oh, all right, there we go. Let's do a little screenshot action. All right, that's the setup. go through and delete all these. There we go. We're done.
Holler at me.
All right, bro. I'll post some stuff up here in a little bit, and well, probably when I wake up, I'm going back to sleep. No, there we go. It's going to continue pushing now. You're going to get this wick fill, and it's going to continue up to that 400 mark. But yeah, I'll post some stuff up after I wake up. But great morning.
All right.
It was a good makeup from yesterday because I broke even yesterday. I was happy with it, but I would have liked to make a profit yesterday.
Yeah, I started off shaky, boy.
Yeah. I'm up like 8%, bro. I could probably do one more trade and be done with the challenge.
I'm at about 4.5.
Nice.
So I started at 6 this week. 4.5. I feel like I would like to get over 5. Before the week is out.
Or you definitely do it.
Or even, I don't know about tomorrow. I don't know how trading's going to be tomorrow. You said something's going on.
Yeah, I'm moving. The movers get here at 8 in the morning, so I don't know. I'm probably going to trade, but I may have to cut the stream short just to get ready for them.
No, but it was not because of no extreme volatility, right?
No, there is some extreme volatility tomorrow too. There's rates, GBP rates come out tomorrow.
Okay.
They're expecting to keep them the same though. So, no, we'll see. We'll see how it sets up.
7 a.m. Okay. Yeah, either way, hopefully I can get back to 6 before the week's over.
Exactly.
Next week.
Exactly.
That was bad luck today, man. I didn't know about that.
Say what?
And that was bad luck today. I didn't know about the spreads being able to take your I thought what I was thinking was you enter at the level and then the spread comes out after you enter. So now I know.
Yeah. This is insane. Yeah. If I can keep this same like level of consistency when I get my funded account, my God, this is gonna be a wrap. Same level of consistency and risk management.
Yes.
Bro, it's gonna be a wrap.
Yes. Oddly enough, you just started doing it properly as soon as you.
Exactly, bro. That's the thing, bro. Like I could have been doing this the entire time.
Was it the fact that you didn't want to look crazy, or what?
Yes, I think the accountability aspect had a whole lot to do with it.
Okay, I feel you.
Jesus Christ, look at this thing.
I'm looking, bro. I'm looking. How many pips was that right there? Was the wick?
7.
7. Yeah. I'm done.
Me too, bro.
Yeah,
Me too, bro. I'm done. I'm out.
I'll text you the screener from this movie, and then I'll see if I can put together something creative for the MT4 download and the trading view and how you want to do the broker part?
Yeah, I got nothing to do with brokers. They pick their own broker. I'm not affiliated with any of them. I don't want to make it seem like I'm getting paid to recommend any of them. I want nothing to do with that. Not right now, until somebody reaches out to me.
So as far as making a demo